On Tuesday morning, a protest was held calling for a primary healthcare facility to service Castries, led by UWP candidate Roche Clark. In response to this protest, Government Senator and St. Lucia Labour Party Communications Director Lisa Joahir says that no SLP administration will stop the people of St. Lucia from exercising their constitutional rights. Nevertheless, she says that the SLP remains resolute in how the government has been able to support the healthcare system.
We know coming out of the COVID-19 pandemic, there were a lot of challenges that we inherited, a lot of things that were supposed to have been done, including the completion of the St. Jude Hospital. If we go down memory lane very quickly, we realize when the United Workers' Party came into office in 2016, they commissioned a report to ascertain if the buildings, the current structure of the St. Jude Hospital was worth continuing. That report indicated that the buildings were about 80% complete, and for 3 years the United Workers' Party abandoned the project.
She continued by stating that when the SLP administration came into office, Prime Minister Pierre secured funding for St. Jude Hospital with a lucrative deal. She highlights other things that the government has done for healthcare, such as giving $11 million to the OKU Hospital to support administrative work and providing extra staffing to support the St. Jude Hospital's emergency departments. Joahir admits that there will always be challenges within the health sector.
And particularly the Castries Health Center, this structure has been in existence for a very long time. Even as a child, I used to go to the Castries Health Center, and significant work needs to be done to that building. And of course, it is for the safety of the population to ensure that when they finally use a facility, that it is not going to cause any damage to them, that nobody will be hurt. So I understand the position to temporarily pause services there, but the surrounding healthcare facilities are open. Entrepot and other surrounding healthcare facilities are open to the people.
The Castries Wellness Center was closed down earlier this year. The Ministry of Health announced that its services would be transferred to the Castries Urban Polyclinic, located at the former Victoria Hospital. However, the urban polyclinic is yet to open. Health Minister Moses Jean-Baptiste had stated that they are now finalizing the procurement of services for contracting works, which will rehabilitate the Dalto building, which will house the services of the Castries Wellness Center.
It's interesting that the United Workers' Party will stand outside of the Chaussee Health Center. I mean, I was told that a former Minister of Government is there, and I think it's so very interesting. It baffles me every single time that these people have no shame. And these same ministers were in government. They paused work on the St. Jude Hospital completely for more than half of their term. They actually said that if they could not complete the construction of that hospital, that they will not be in office. I mean, these are the words of the United Workers' Party. And so, let the people exercise their constitutional right. Our Minister for Health has been doing a very good job.
Joahir's comments were made ahead of the meeting of the Upper House on Tuesday, 29th October. For the DBS News World, Miriam Montoute reporting.